guías turísticos ecológicos. Este tutorial complementa a los tutoriales Inglés para guías turísticos e Inglés para guías de montaña. Si eres latino y en tu país hay gran afluencia de turistas, sácale provecho a eso. Y organiza visitas guiadas a los parajes más destacados de tu nación. Trata de aprender todo lo que te voy a mostrar y ponlo en práctica luego. Solo tienes que organizar tus ideas y ejecutarlas. Siempre será la misma plática, pues estarás describiendo aquello que muestres. Comencemos. Agrupemos las ideas por lo que le vas a decir al grupo. Tú describiendo el entorno. Lo que el turista pueda decirte a ti. Group, it begins to dawn. We are off. But first, let's review. How many people do we have in the roster? We are about to start our journey across the jungle. We hope to have an uneventful trip without any mishap, unless it rains. And if it rains, we have to hole up under the huts on the way up. Those are our shelters. We have to set out now. Keep in mind, the early bird gets the worm. People, tonight we are going to camp out on the top of the mountain, describiendo el entorno. In former days, I had the chance to see this jungle at its best, and we were able to find endemic species by hundreds. Today, owing to logging, this jungle is not the jungle of old. That is why we are so fixated of protecting the wood from logging as far as possible, and for the good of everybody. And if we do not do it, as time goes on, in a few years' time, all this jungle will be gone. As we go deeper into the jungle, you will be able to observe the large amount of species representative of this region. Now, hush, hush. Watch that heron. It's one of a kind and just can be found in this part of the country. We'll continue walking along the riverbank so that you can see terrapins and black toads and take pictures of them. I'm fairly sure we'll find larger groups of endemic species upstream. You will also have the chance to see some of the oldest monoliths on Earth. These monoliths date back to prehistoric times. Some of them are made of limestone. Some others are made of a mixture of sandstone and silt with some other elements. Now, follow me. We will visiting the largest watershed of this country. In this part of the country, it rains constantly, the largest chunk of time. So mind your step as you walk. Soil gets so wet that becomes like a wetland. In the event we find an obstacle in front of us, we take a detour. El turista preguntándote o diciéndote, do we have to pay up front? Yes, you have to. When are we going to get there? It is not far off. Why not to do it? Because it's too dangerous. Sorry, that is out of my reach. But on the way back, one of the tribesmen can take you there. They know the place right through. This is a Greenland hike. Can we stop? We are tired out. Can we take a cut-off? Bueno amigos, hasta aquí mi tutorial. Suscríbete, dale like. Nos vemos en una próxima oportunidad. Chao.